all to my YouTube channel, and I hope you all are happy, safe and secure at your home. We all used to face problem in communication. We all used to face problem in expressing ourselves, and for that I've shared with you a video on English speaking skills and how to start your thought process, and I'm very glad to hear that you all are liking it and feeling the changes and improvement in your own self. And continuing this on demand, I have received one more request to keep on sharing more tips regarding it. In the last video, we have learned about the language. In the last video, learned about how to start a thought process in English and make yourself comfortable in English. And in this video, what we're going to learn is how to start communication, how to pronounce the words, how to be fluent in English. So for that, I'm going to use very basic agenda. I'm going to use very basic tips and to make yourself feeling comfortable in English. So first point is music. First point is music. We all are crazy for music, either it's in Hindi, English, or Bengali, Tamil, anyone. We all are crazy for music. And to learn anything, picturization, music is a one best way. हम कोई भी song सुनते हैं, in a very first way, in a very first go, we grasp the lyrics. Because it's the easiest way to learn something. We want to learn something, adopt it in a musical way, you will learn it. You will learn it in a very easy way. So I'm going to apply this a very basic thing, very basic tip on yourself to learn it in an English way. Because the very difficult task, and apply a simple tip and make it easy. That's my forte and that's my mantra of the life, to make the things easy. Apply the tips on yourself and make the things easy. So one thing I'm going to apply is how to be fluent in English. For that, I'm going to apply it in a musical way. So what you have to do is, first thing is to start listening to English songs. Start listening to English songs. You don't have to listen to the plenty of songs, just you have to pick one song. What you have to do is pick one English song and just listen to it. In a very first go, what you have to do is you have to write down the lyrics. You have to write down the lyrics, whatever you are getting out of it, whatever. If you're going to adopt only 20% of lyrics, that is fine, that is okay with me. Write down the lyrics in a very first go. Listen to the song again write down the lyrics, and for the very third attempt, download that lyrics of English song, and then usko dekhiye, usko suniye. That means in a very first attempt of listening, you were not with the lyrics, you were just observing कि कोई आपको क्या बोल रहा है. Okay, you're just observing the lyrics. In a second attempt, you are also doing with what we are doing, you are just observing the lyrics. In a third attempt, you have downloaded the lyrics. Lyrics are in front of you and you are listening to the song. You will feel the difference that when you are getting the words, you will feel better. आपको जब मतलब समझ आएगा ना, तब आप सुन पाओगे, समझ पाओगे, फील कर पाओगे. And if you're not doing it, तो आप क्या कर रहे हो? Just you are getting through the music. You are just enjoying the music. And आपको fluency लाने के लिए just उसको सुनना नहीं है. आपको अपनी communication, अपनी pronunciation improve करने के लिए just सुनना नहीं है. You have to combine all things. First tip मैंने आपको बताया है, it's a music, listen to the English song. Second tip मैंने आपको बताया है, what you have to do is you have to write down the lyrics to get it कि आपको English कितनी समझ आ रही है. Third one is download the lyrics and then listen to the song. Why? Because now you have to come to the pronunciation. And pronunciation you will get it only when you have the lyrics in your hand. Okay? What the fourth one? Fourth one is start murmuring that song. You have heard the song near about 4-5 times. And you have heard it. You will get few words out of it. So keep the lyrics in front of you and listen to the song and start murmuring it. start mumbling it simultaneously. So you will able to get the lyrics, you will able to get the lyrics in a 3 days, 4 days, 5 days. Okay, and this task I'm giving to you, it's only for one song, it's only for one song. आपको एक इंग्लिश सॉन्ग विद फुल फ्लुएंसी एंड विद फुल लिरिक्स याद करना है, एंड वो आपको प्रैक्टिस करना है, वो आपको प्रैक्टिस करना है. द डे यू विल अचीव दैट गोल कि मैं एक फुल इंग्लिश सॉन्ग विद फुल फ्लुएंसी एंड विद फुल लिरिक्स मैं आप बोल सकता हूँ या बोल सकती हूँ, दैट मीन्स you are getting yourself comfortable in the language. You are getting yourself comfortable in the language. And that is when you're working in your pronunciation. You're working in your pronunciation, you're working in communication, you're working in your fluency. So this is a very basic tip I'm going to give you, because what you have to do is, first you have to combine my first English speaking skill video with it, because that was the related to your thought process, because you are working in your language. And second, we are working in your fluency, that is related to music, because easily adoptable, easily gettable and easily pronunciation. For that you have to choose out the songs जो आपको बहुत अच्छे से समझ आ रहे हैं. So do that, apply it on yourself and try to remember 2-3 songs in a fluency, and you will feel like yes, it's not that difficult. It's not that difficult and you're able to get it very easily. You are able to get it very easily. And जब आप इंग्लिश सॉन्ग बोलने शुरू कर दोगे तो वर्ड्स, बाकी वर्ड्स क्या चीज़ है, दैट इज़ टोटली रिलेटेड टू ए कम्युनिकेशन. एंड वो आपका जो हम कहते हैं ना, मुझे झिझक है, मैं नहीं बोल सकती, आई एम जस्ट स्टैमर. सो वो इंग्लिश सॉन्ग में आपकी स्टैमरिंग दूर हो जाएगी, इंग्लिश सॉन्ग में आपकी स्टैमरिंग दूर हो जाएगी, एंड यू विल एबल टू लर्न द कम्युनिकेशन इन अ वेरी बेटर वे. So I think that's all for the English speaking tip. I'll definitely come out with more videos, but firstly you have to apply it on yourself and improve it. Then I will share more tips regarding it, that how you will easily able to learn English at your home, at your own, and without anyone's help, and in a very decent and very easy way. So keep sharing, keep liking my videos, and to get best out of it, you have to watch my previous video on English speaking skills, and you combine one first tip and second tip, and you definitely will see a change in yourself, and I'm bet it will definitely going to see a change in yourself. And keep applying these things in yourself, and you'll start seeing improvement in your own self. And I will definitely come out with more videos in the tips of English speakings and many more aspects. And if you have any request for me, you are free to give it to me. You are free to drop it in a comment box. Thank you so much. Please like my video, please subscribe my channel, and do press the bell icon button for updated videos. And please give your reviews in a comment box, because that's all appreciation, that's all the reviews I want from you, nothing else. Because I really feel happy to get connected with you. I feel very happy to get reviews from you. And please like the video and subscribe the channel, and keep spreading happiness around, and do take care of yourself. Thank you so much.